Today we are going to Hawthorne Elementary to interview local legend Anna Nazaruk, math specialist. Position as a math specialist different than any general teacher?
So when I decided to leave the classroom about 10 years ago, I loved having small groups and then teaching children who really struggled how to use different strategies to help them be successful in the classroom. So like I worked on different strategies here that kids can transfer back into the classroom. So once I see that success, that's what I love that, because children that really they're not confident in math come to me, and then hopefully with my different tools, techniques, and different strategies, I can help them be more successful and be more confident.
When did you decide you wanted to be a math teacher?
I got the job at Westlake Middle School, like as a sub. And then as a sub, I started going into different classrooms and teaching different content. And I realized as much as I loved reading and writing, I also loved math. And then my first job at the middle school was actually teaching sixth grade social studies. And then the next leave replacement was a math position. And I just got into math, and then I just found my love for it, and I continued there.
You plan on being a teacher for?
So I have about 9-ish years left until I retire. And then my goal after I retire is possibly to go into teaching in college and teaching college students how to be teachers.
Very cool. And lastly, how do you get through to students who hate math?
And that's a tough thing, because math is so challenging for so many children, and they don't find it exciting, they don't find it so thrilling as they may do other subjects. So what I do is I try and bring fun back into math. So what you'll see later on is that I teach math games that children, especially young children, they're practicing their math skills without realizing it. So they're having fun, they're laughing with their friends, they're engaging, and at the same time they're practicing the different things that they may be struggling with without knowing it.
As you can see, Anna Nazaruk is a local legend and influence for many kids.